Getting a cannot connect to App Store error on your Apple Watch. This usually happens due to internet issues, Apple ID problems, or temporary server glitches. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the cannot connect to App Store issue on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Before we start, make sure you're connected to your internet network like Wi-Fi or mobile data. You have the same Wi-Fi in your iPhone and Apple Watch. You have a stable internet connection. Turn on and off airplane mode. After doing these things, follow my advanced solutions. Solution 1. Reset sync data. Grab your iPhone. Open the Watch app. Now tap on General. Then scroll down to the bottom. Tap Reset. Now simply tap on Reset Sync Data. Solution 2. Reset your Apple Watch. Tap on the Settings app. Now scroll down and then tap General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap Reset. Tap Erase All Content and Settings. Scroll down again. Tap Erase All. Solution 3. Unpair and repair Apple Watch. Grab your iPhone. Open the Watch app. Tap My Watch from the bottom of the screen. Now tap All Watches from the top left corner. Then tap on the info icon next to the added watch. Now scroll to the bottom. Tap Unpair Apple Watch. Again, tap Unpair Apple's Apple Watch. Then repair your Apple Watch. Solution 4. Update your software. Open the watch home screen. Tap on the Settings app. Now scroll down and then tap General. Tap Software Update. If there is a new update, then download and install the update. Hope you got the proper solution to fix the cannot connect to App Store issue in your Apple Watch. Hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Till then, stay tuned.